Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bow hair tie. This is the perfect for beginner tutorial, so let's get started and make it. First I am using pink color of yarn and also 4mm crochet hook. So hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and just pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, again yarn over, pull it through the loop. Just repeat same pattern. Make the total of 15 chains on top for this tutorial. Here my 15 chains complete. Now skip first 2 chain, insert your hook into the third chain and make half double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, again yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over again on the hook, pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Just repeat same pattern. Make 1 half double crochet stitch in each chain below and complete this round and reach into the last chain. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 50 chains and complete the total of half double crochet stitches. Just complete it and reach into the last chain and complete the first row. Here my first row complete, you see clearly. Now for the next row, just make 2 chain on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop and just turn your work. 2 chain on top and turn your work. Next we're gonna make again half double crochet stitches in each chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. Repeat the same pattern. Make 1 half double crochet stitches in each chain below, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop like this, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Here you see clearly my half double crochet stitch. Just at the beginning of new row, we will make 2 chain on top and then we will start the pattern of half double crochet stitch and complete the total of 3 rounds on top. Here my 3 rounds complete totally. Now in the last we will make chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Just cut it. Now in the last, pull the left of yarn tightly and secure your work in then. This is the complete pattern, you see clearly. Next I am going to use the off-white color of yarn for making the edges of the crochet bow. So again we hold yarn like in fingers. Just hold it in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot into the first corner like here. Just insert your hook into the corner and make slip knot first. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull it. Just yarn over, pull it. After pulling the yarn, chain 1 on top for single crochet. On the edges here I am making single crochet stitch. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Again insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly the single crochet stitch. Again insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly the single crochet stitches. Just make 1 single crochet stitch in each chain below and complete the total of 4 edges around the total of square shape. any part of the video from making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Here you see clearly how I am mixing a crochet stitches. Just repeat the same pattern, complete the total of edges on side. Here my edge is complete. You see clearly. Now in the last we will make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first half single crochet, pull the yarn twice. After pulling the yarn twice, chain one on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Like this. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you take the back side of the stitches, insert your hook into the stitches, just inside the stitches like this, and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so you see clearly how look it is. Next I'm going to attach a hair tie on the back side of square, and also here I'm using some yarn for joining all the pieces together. So let's get started and join all the pieces together. First we make the bow shape. Just press it into the center like this and wrap some yarn around it like 2 times more than 4 times. You see clearly how look it is. Next I'm going to attach a hair tie onto the back side of bow. I will show you clearly in this video, and pull the yarn like into the middle of hair tie. Make total 8 to 10 times of wrapping around these and just complete it. You see clearly. Now in the last we will make knot like 2 times. Make sure your work secure in the end, like make tight knot into the end, like pull it tightly like this. Now cut the leftover yarn with it, just like this. This is the complete tutorial of crochet bow hair tie, you see clearly, and this is also perfect for babies, and also it is very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.